Imagine a powerful tool that allows you to rewire your thoughts and create a life you truly desire. That's the essence of affirmations. They are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, working like a mental exercise to shift your subconscious mind towards a more positive and empowered state. By consciously choosing to repeat these affirmations, you begin to reprogram your internal dialogue, replacing negative patterns with beliefs that support your growth and well-being. The power of repetition lies in the way our brains are wired. Each time you repeat an affirmation, you're strengthening the neural pathways associated with those positive thoughts and beliefs. Think of it like creating a well-worn path in your mind. The more you walk that path, the easier it becomes to follow. With consistent repetition, your brain becomes accustomed to these new positive messages, making it more likely to act upon them. This neurological change, known as neuroplasticity, is at the heart of how affirmations can shift your thinking and lead to positive changes in your life. The key to effective affirmations is personalization. They should be tailored to your specific goals and resonate deeply with you. Avoid generic statements and instead craft affirmations that speak directly to what you want to achieve. For instance, instead of saying, "I am healthy," you might say, "I am filled with vitality and energy." Remember to frame your affirmations in the present tense as if they are already happening. This helps your subconscious mind to readily accept and integrate these positive messages. Positive language is also crucial. Use words that evoke feelings of empowerment and possibility, like "I am strong" or "I am worthy." Just like any habit, consistency is the key to unlocking the full power of affirmations. Make a conscious effort to incorporate them into your daily routine. You can repeat your affirmations during your morning meditation, before bed, or even during short breaks throughout the day. The more you weave them into your daily life, the more they will become ingrained in your subconscious mind. To ensure you stay consistent, set reminders on your phone or use a dedicated affirmation journal. With consistent practice, your affirmations will become a powerful tool for transforming your thoughts and ultimately your life. While repetition is a crucial element, it's not the sole ingredient for success. True power lies in believing in the affirmations you're repeating. Imagine yourself already living the life you desire, feeling the emotions and experiencing the results. Visualizing these outcomes amplifies the impact of your affirmations. This belief and visualization create a stronger connection between your conscious and subconscious mind, allowing your affirmations to work more effectively. It's like planting a seed and believing that it will grow into a beautiful flower. When you believe in the power of your affirmations, you're setting the stage for positive transformation to blossom in your life.